Make your point on the News Hour. Join Arnab every night on the News Hour with your question. Ask your question and join the debate.
Mumbai court has issued a non-bailable warrant against Vijay Mallya in a cheque bounce case. These two checks were dishonored in the year 2012. So yet another non-bailable warrant, this time from Mumbai. We've already seen two of these warrants issued through courts in Hyderabad. Now over a cheque bouncing case from 2012 of 50 crore and 57 crore. So two separate checks that were dishonored in 2012 itself. A non-bailable warrant has been issued by the Andheri Metropolitan Magistrates Court against Vijay Mallya. Sindhu's on the phone line. Sindhu, who was the applicant in this case? Who was this cheque made out to in the first place?
Yes, the applicant in this case is the Airport Authority of India. Vijay Mallya had given them a cheque in 2012, two cheques actually, one of 50 and one of 57 crores each. Both cheques bounced, after which a case was filed against Vijay Mallya. In the previous hearing of this case, the court had ordered him to appear before the court. However, his counsel today said that he cannot come because his passport has been revoked. Because the payment has not been made and the cheques were dishonored, the Andheri Metropolitan Court today has issued a non-bailable warrant against Vijay Mallya in this case.
Is there a deadline by when he should present himself, Sindhu? An NBW has been issued. Yes, there are several against him already. What happens next in this case then?
Now that the warrant has been issued, the next part of investigation and bringing him to the country, this could be one of the many cases that is there against Vijay Mallya. The investigations that are being done against him by the ED and even the SEBI. So this would be just one more case that would add to the efforts of bringing him to India. Regarding appearing in front of the court, his counsel has already argued that since his passport has been revoked, he cannot appear. But now that the warrant has been issued, he can be brought back by the authorities to face the law.